In this video, I will show you 3 Christmas DIYs. I decorated already a couple of weeks ago, and after I posted the photos on Instagram, many of you asked to share the process in the video. By the way, finally, hello everyone again. So the first thing I did is the forest on the baking pan from IKEA, which is yearly used rather for the decorating purposes than baking. I had a good amount of tiny cedar trees at home, which I collected over the years, and randomly arranged all of them inside the pan, leaving a gap in the center for the glass candle holder. I fixed my trees with the candle stickers from the druggery. My tiny trees are slightly shaped, so I pointed them towards center, facing kind of one direction. However, I kind of was afraid to put the stickers on the paper ornaments. I just made sure that they are strings. And now they are looking like drag queens with rabbit ears, and everyone loves them. We decided this year to skip on shopping the real trees. However, we got 2 tiniest Christmas trees last year, and they survived and grew so much bigger on the balcony over the year. I have to admit that I didn't buy any single new item for those projects, except for the yogurt, but later about it. Back to the baking pan with faux forest. I placed them in the entry hall and really love how cute it turned out. For another project, I combined a flower vase, a fruit bowl, and the string lights. Those are with the batteries. I had an idea to run the string around the bowl, working in circles from the top to the bottom. Switch with the batteries I let underneath the bowl, for can hide it in the vase. It took me maybe 10 minutes to attach all the lights. And then I just put the bowl upside down on the top of the vase, turning into a mushroom. Now the thing is that both parts are loose, so you know the disclaimer. Keep out of reach of children, jumping pets, and a tipsy Uncle Jack. I will show you later how it looks like in the dark, and I hope you will like it the same as I do. And last but not least, I did a table centerpiece with the candles and apples. For the candle holders, I repurposed the glasses from the yogurt. Temporal upcycling and then recycling afterwards is my go-to without having a bad conscience. I gathered all my arrangement on the tray, which I painted last year, and usually keeping various bits and pieces in my wardrobe. I want my tray less dark, so I'm lining it before adding the rest. I had some unused moss and used cinnamon sticks from the mulled wine, and also I grabbed few not too ambitious ornaments. Initially I intended to have the real apples, but somehow we ate them too fast, so I went for not eatable ones. However, I found that the beer apples looked a little bit too basic, so I thought I could add some riffled leaves out of paper to them. It will add more volume to my decor piece. I probably have to explain my gap on YouTube. So very briefly, Christian and I were in Lithuania and took my mom to stay with us for a couple of months. And I wanted to spend more time with her. Then we were sick one after the other. Then I decided to reorganize our flat a little bit, and as I am the main and almost the only idea generator and executive, had to step back from filming and editing. But I hope you missed me a little bit, and I promise to show my project step by step in the new videos. Spoiler alert, not all went like planned. Back to the leaves. I want to round them a little bit around the edges, And I also added the stems out of the crafting wire. Tip: the most affordable and easiest way to instantly feel like Christmas is add the cloves to the candles. Warmed cloves smell divine. Usually the table runners are not my thing, but this one was gifted by my best classmate who lives in Gotland. It has such a pretty green print. I love it. No, Katze, it's not made of ham. Yes, I know, but it's disappointing. Maybe next time. It stays long dark at this time of the year, and I'm trying to add as much cozy light as I can. It makes me a bunch happier. I hope you enjoyed watching my DIYs the same as I did making them. Which one is your favorite? So that's pretty much it. Thanks for watching. Greetings from Luxembourg. Merry Christmas if you are celebrating. Eddie.